In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Photos from auto-uploading. If you've noticed your photos and videos quietly syncing to the cloud and want more control, this walkthrough will help you turn off automatic backups or limit them to only the folders you choose. First, let's fully disable auto-upload on your phone. Open the Google Photos app on your Android or iPhone. In the top right, tap your profile picture to open your account menu. Choose Photo Settings, then tap Backup. Here, you'll see a switch labeled Backup. Turn this off. That single toggle stops Google Photos from automatically uploading new photos and videos to your Google account. This is a safe change. Nothing is deleted on your device, and you can still view everything already in your library. You're simply preventing future automatic uploads from happening in the background. If you're on Android and only want to stop certain folders from backing up, like screenshots, WhatsApp images, downloads, or even specific camera folders, you can refine things without shutting off backup entirely. In Google Photos, go to Photo Settings, then Backup, and select Backup Device Folders. You'll see a list of folders on your phone. Turn off the folders you don't want uploaded. This gives you precise folder-by-folder control so that, for example, your camera can continue backing up while screenshots and WhatsApp images stay local. This folder-based control is available on Android and is a handy way to keep clutter out of the cloud. To confirm that backup is truly disabled, open Google Photos and tap your profile picture again. Look for the status message that says, "Backup is off." If you see that, auto-uploading is successfully turned off and new photos won't be sent to your Google account automatically. One important note, turning off backup does not remove anything that's already been uploaded. Your existing photos and videos remain safely stored and accessible at https://photos.google.com. You can continue to view, organize, and share those items from the web or the app. The only change you've made is stopping future automatic uploads from your device. That's all you need. Open Google Photos, turn off backup to stop auto-uploading completely, or, on Android, fine-tune which folders are included. Then double-check the profile menu for backup is off so you know the setting is in place. With these steps, you're in control of what goes to the cloud and what stays on your phone.